Most people start a newsletter with big goals, but they quickly get stuck. Either they don't know what to write or they can't figure out how to grow it into something that actually pays them back. That's where AI Skill Stack changes the game. Instead of spending hours staring at a blank page, you'll have AI powered bots that generate contents, ideas, write in your voice, and even handle repetitive tasks like follow ups and list building. This means you're not just building any newsletter. You're building one that attracts subscribers, keeps them engaged, and most importantly, turns into income. What makes it so powerful is its plug and play framework. You don't need a product, a niche, or even writing experience to get started. AI Scale Stack gives you the roadmap, tools, and automation so you can focus on the big picture while the system does the heavy lifting. And here's the kicker. It comes with a money back guarantee, so you can try it risk free. Grow your newsletter, and if it doesn't work for you, you don't lose a thing. If you're ready to grow a newsletter that doesn't just sit in people's inboxes but actually pays you back, click the link in my description and get started today.